All right, hi French horns. Today we're working on our chromatic scale. I am Mrs. Harwood and I'm ready to get started. Now, one of the neat things about your chromatic scale is that it covers every note on the keyboard and every note in your instrument. The only tricky thing is that at this range in middle school playing, sometimes we're not comfortable going up to the top of the staff yet or extending really far below the staff. So if you would like to, you can break the scale up in this way, and this allows your embouchure to continue to develop while learning the notes that are in the chromatic scale and not skipping anything. So let's start from the top and I'll show you what it sounds like. I'm going to pause at the line. When we play this in class though, you wouldn't necessarily take a pause or a break right there. We would just keep on jumping through because the rest of the instruments aren't doing a jump like that, just us for now. And then if you feel so inclined and you're ready for it, instead of making that jump, you certainly could continue to go up the scale. So here's what it sounds like. There's your note. Ready, go. Now you could keep going, or then on the descending scale, now the ascending scale was written with sharp, 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 sharp all over the place. Because you play the note, you sharp it, you play the note, you sharp it, you play the note, you sharp it. When we play the descending scale, they'll play the note, flat, play the note, flat, play the note, flat it. So it's written two different ways, but it's the exact same notes. One difference in the way it's written this way is we made the break between C and C sharp. On the descending scale, for some reason, often they'll split it between the B flat and the A. It doesn't really matter where you split it though, if you're going to split it, or if you want to continue extending down, that's fine. So I'm going to play the descending scale now. So you can do it any way you would like, whether you go all the way up to an F on the top line and then back down, or you can do the break in the middle, or you could start on an F below the staff, work your way up to the F on the first bass, and then work your way back down. So any of those options are just fine. It's all part of normal embouchure development. So wherever you're at personally, you are just fine. All right, keep up the great work and good luck with this tricky scale.